Hey guys, let's get real for a few minutes and talk about a topic most men don't discuss out loud. Masturbation. I know it's awkward for some, but trust me, this is important for your health and well-being. First up, is masturbation safe? For most men, yes, it absolutely is. But there are a few situations where it can actually be risky. If you go overboard, meaning you're doing it excessively and aggressively, you could harm yourself. Think of it like working out. A little is great, too much can cause injuries. Now here's something a lot of guys miss. If you touch the genitals of someone who has an infection and then touch yourself, you're at risk for a sexually transmitted infection, or STI. Same goes for sharing sex toys with someone who's infected. So, keep things clean and personal. Let's talk technique for a second. If you always masturbate in a face-down position, like pressing your body into the bed, you're putting extra pressure on your penis. That can cause injury over time. Instead, try standing, sitting, or lying on your back. And here's a big one. Don't squeeze your penis to stop ejaculation. Doing that can damage nerves and blood vessels and even force semen into your bladder. Not worth it, trust me. Now I get this question a lot. Does masturbation make you thin? Not really. It's not exactly a workout, though if you're going way overboard, you might lose a little weight. But that's not healthy or recommended. Another myth. Does it lower your testosterone? Research says, not really. Masturbation only has a small effect on testosterone levels. But as always, moderation is key. If you're doing it constantly, you might see some drop in testosterone. Let's flip to the positives. Masturbation actually has some real health benefits. For men, regular ejaculation more than 5 times a week can lower your risk of prostate cancer by flushing out toxins. It also releases cortisol, which is a stress hormone that boosts your immune system. You'll feel more relaxed thanks to endorphins, which can even help you sleep better. As you age, you naturally lose muscle tone, even in your pelvic area. Masturbation exercises those muscles, helping prevent erectile dysfunction and even incontinence. Plus, it releases feel-good chemicals like dopamine and oxytocin, which boost your mood and satisfaction. It even helps you get to know your body better, which can improve your relationship with your partner. But hey, too much of anything is bad. Excessive masturbation can lead to fatigue, weakness, early ejaculation, injuries, back pain, and even hair loss. If you're finding it hard to stop, or it's interfering with your daily life, try redirecting that energy. Yoga, meditation, exercise, or even picking up a new hobby. So how do you know if it's too much? If you're feeling distressed, getting injured, or skipping out on life for it, it's time to hit pause. Pain or discomfort down there is a big red flag. If things get really tough, don't be afraid to talk to a doctor or counselor. They can help you manage your habits in a healthy way. And sometimes medications can help if it's part of a bigger issue. Bottom line, masturbation is a normal, healthy part of life, but like anything else, it's all about balance. Take care of yourself and don't hesitate to reach out for help if you need it. Thanks for listening, and remember, your health comes first.